Okay, we're here at Jeep Glass. Have our technician Todd.
Hello. Today we're working on an 87 and 95 Jeep Wrangler, and we're changing out the run channel and the doors, or the glass, the window swipes is what we call them. So the important thing first is to take the door panel off. You get back inside this door here and you roll the window up a little bit. And once you get that up, there's a rubber stopper. I've already pulled it off. It sits right in the middle down here on the bottom of the door on the inside, and you can push it up from the very bottom of the door to help remove it. Once that's removed, now you can roll the window down low enough so that the glass isn't in your way with the door swipes. Then what we'll do is we'll grab a little tool in here and start working these loose. They have a little clip here that goes into a hole, and there's usually about 4 of them. And that goes for both sides, inner and outer. Once we have this all loose, we have a new one here. Same little clips. They're kind of fun to get in, but you can work them into place and they lock down in and you're permanently installed. Both goes for the inner and the outer. Now when we get to the run channel, we have to work that out of here and start pulling it loose. And oop, that one broke. It's that old and worn out. Now once we have that out of there, oftentimes if you roll the window up and down because it fits so tight in the back here, you can get it to come right out. There's 2 ways to do this. Because of these little marks here, they're made for the curve of the door. So the top goes in. Work it all the way into place. Leave yourself a little room because you're gonna possibly lube this up with something. Slide it down in there and then work the door glass up and down till you get this into position and make it all nice and tight. Then you can crank the window up and down, maybe grease it or whatever you need to do inside the door panel, and then put your little rubber stopper back in so that the window doesn't go down too low. Put your door panel back on and good as new.
Hey, thanks, Todd.
Hopefully that's a helpful little technique, and any further questions you can always call us on the website. There's a phone number there and we can help walk you through it. Thanks and have a good day.